Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can get pet food in CoinMaster. So let's get started. Now there are multiple ways how you can get pet food in CoinMaster. One of the ways of getting it or getting snack, it is called snacks, which should be, it sounds clear, but one of the ways you can get snacks is directly purchasing it with currency from right here. You can see you can purchase it from any store CoinMaster app, and this is directly from currencies. You can also get food if you just go ahead and wait for the daily snacking thingy, like just this lottery type thing. Here you can see this, you can just simply spin it, and also you can wait for it until this comes. There's another option of that it comes daily. A daily food comes for the pets. Okay, this is as simple as that. Sometimes as rewards or events, maybe this one. So you can see this, you can check them out. From here you can find Paris Fortune. Sometimes here you can find those pet foods. Also you can purchase anytime if you wish to. You can open this chest because sometimes there are pet foods also, so you can spin and also purchase it from your currency. Also you can get daily pet foods and wait until for it. So that is how simple easy it is. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next videos.